Hey everyone, this is Michael Trethart, International Technology Instructor, and we have a class coming up next week to the Fairfax, Virginia area. And the first part of the session, which is going to be on Wednesday, May 22nd from 9 to noon, is going to become Google Great. This is a class that is open to all real estate agents, not just Keller Williams agents. So invite your friends, invite your guests. It's also open to business owners. So if you know somebody who owns their own business, reach back out into your database, connect with them, invite them in for this class. This is going to change not only your business for the better, but it's going to change their business for the better as well. I'm going to show you some techniques in here that Google provides to all business owners that are completely free. And I've got real estate agents who are making an extra $100,000 annually to their bottom line just because they attended and applied all of the stuff that I'm training in this class. This is going to be a hands-on workshop. So bring your laptop, bring your iPad. You can even do some of it on your phone, but be ready to start to apply right then and there in class. Then we're going to take a short lunch break, in-house lunch, and starting at 12:30 to 3:30 is going to be lead generate with K2B Tech. So I'm going to show you again how to lead generate, this time Keller Williams technology. We're going to go in, we're going to be talking my referrals, we're going to be talking neighborhood pages, getting your database organized and inputted into K2B Command. Lots of tips and tricks that are going to be inside of Command and also coming in from the outside going into Command. This is open to all Keller Williams agents and guests. So if you have some real estate agents who are not with Keller Williams, but they are interested in knowing a little bit more about what we're doing from a tech point of view, you can invite them in and they can attend this at no additional cost. You register with the link below. It's going to be located at 4031 University Drive, number 500, and that's going to be Fairfax. And oh yeah, by the way, I'm an investor in the K2B Fairfax office, so I'm definitely going to be pouring into some value for you to help to build your business because we're all in it together. So I will see you guys on Wednesday, May 22nd. Thanks.